Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another yummy video for you guys. In this video we are going to have a look at this luxury Swiss yummy chocolates. So before looking at the chocolates, we will first talk about the packaging. Just look at the box, just look at the packaging. The packaging is so sweet and so luxury. It's so premium. The packaging look is so premium. Before opening the box, I already fell in love with the box and packaging because it looks so beautiful, so premium, so luxury. I really love the box. If you guys want to make these kind of gift boxes, you can go ahead in my description box and check the link there. Setinya can make all kind of gift boxes, even jewelry boxes and any kind of boxes for anything. If you want more details, you can go ahead in my description box and check the links there. So guys, I already opened the package. Look at it. All the chocolates are so luxury and so yummy. I tasted some of them. They are so good. And if you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please don't wait and go ahead in my channel and subscribe to it. Also turn on the notification icon, bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys get a notification for it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.